style 2, so forth and so on. In my dress shirt monogram styles, I started with the 100s, the children's fonts at the 200s, the baby designs 300s, and my stock designs 400s. Now this will give me lots of room to add more styles as I go along, or more designs, or whatever I want to do. But just keeping them in a number sequence like that is really going to help. Now obviously I'm going to have a name also as to what it is, but right now you can see exactly how I've got it set up. And you can also see that we've got totally different options for different types of products. So the more complete that you have your list, the easier it's going to be to create your attribute sets, and the easier it's going to be to upload all of your products. It's going to save you a ton of time, and you're not going to be making any mistakes in doing it if you go through this process like this. I was just racking my brain trying to figure out how in the world to get this extremely organized so that we would not have to stop and start, and could make it much more complete and easier to work with. So that's what I came up with. I'm going to give you a copy of this so you've got it. It's nothing fancy, just a plain spreadsheet. So you can go through, create your own, and just copy what I've got done here, and I'm sure that it'll make it easier for you. Again, it's not complete, but it's a good start. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your first attribute page. First we're going to go to Catalog, Attributes, Manage Attributes. Now I'm going to go to Add New Attribute, and right up here I'm going to say Attribute Lettering Layout, because excuse me, this is the one I'm going to add, and I had already started to add it and then I made a mistake, so it saved it in here. Now when you're adding them, you don't want to have any uppercase letters or no spaces. You have to use all lowercase and underscores. Now in our scope, it's global. In the catalog input type, it's going to be drop down. Unique value, no. Values required, no. Input validation, none. Apply to selected product types, and you're going to hold your control key down and select the first 3 product types. Used to create configurable product, yes. These stay no. This stays no. This stays no. HTML tags on the front end, yes. Visible on the product view page, yes. The other 2 are no. Now I'm going to save and continue edit. And right here I'm going to put in design lettering layouts, and right here I'm going to put in design lettering layouts. Now this is what will show on the front end. Now I'm going to click Save and continue edit. Now as you can see, we have no place here to add our swatches or our little icons or our 100 pixel images. We have to add the spot in order to do that. So now I'm going to go to System, go to Configuration, go to Color Selector, and right here where it says Design Lettering Layouts, I'm going to hold my Control key down and I'm going to select that. Now make sure all the other ones stay selected that are already there, because each one of these that are selected shows the little 100 pixel icons for the customer to make their selection. So you want to make sure that they all stay. And we're going to save configuration. Now when we go back to Attributes, Manage Attributes, now we can go down to our Design Lettering Layouts. Now you see we have our Manage Swatches. So now you can just click on that and you can see there's nothing there yet. So we go back to Options, and now this is where we're going to be adding our options. So first of all, I'm going to click on Add Option, and it opens up the boxes for it. And I have my style sheet in front of me. So my first one is LS1. Now, in this box right here, this is what will show up on the website. So we want to have a full explanation here. So this is LS1, one line straight. Position 1. I want it to show up in the first spot. Next is our second option, LS2. LS2. This is a one line arched. This is position 2. This is LS3. Each one of these are my style numbers. And this is first line arched. Second line straight. Add option, LS4.
How about 3?
This is LS4. First line arched. Second line reversed. Arched. Oops, this is position 3. This is position 4. Add option, LS5. LS5, 2 or 3 lines straight. This is 5. This is our last option, LS6. LS6, full circle. Position 6. Save and continue edit. Now this opens up this spot right here. We're going to click on this. Now you can see all of these are listed, and it asks us to add our image. So right here, I'm going to click on this first one, and I'm going to browse, and I have them all saved in a folder. And I uploaded them into the system just so they would be handy. There they are. Okay. I want to select my 100 image, or my 100 pixel image. I have them all saved as 100 pixel, 400 pixel, the same thing. Now this 400 pixel, we will be adding that when we add products. So right now we're only concentrating on the 100 pixel images. So I'm going to select that and click open. I'm going to go to the next one. This is 2. I'm going to select this one, open. These go very quickly. I'm going to select 3. Select 4. Once you have it all organized, it all goes very quickly. 5. And our last one, 6. Now save and continue edit. Now go back to our swatches, and you can see here's every single one of them. You can preview. This is the preview. This is the preview of each one. So that's how we're going to be adding all of our attributes and all of your attribute options. In the larger pictures, the 400 pixel pictures, we're going to be adding them when we add products.